So I'm going to use the taupey brown colour, and this can actually work across a few different lipsticks. So I'm going to show you, actually what I want to do is I want to show you first how washed out I can look without it. So I'm going to use our colour Essence, and if you can just have a look at that kind of like very nude brownie sort of colour. And I'm just applying it. Okay, see, I don't like it on my colouring just like that. I would definitely need to have a lip liner with that. So just have a look how this is going to change the look of it. And there we go. See how that's just given it just a little lift? It's still very nude, but it's just given that little lift. Now I'm going to show you that same lipstick, but with the pinky sort of outline. So I've outlined that, and I've still got the Essence, and I'm going to and that's also given me a little bit of a different nude look. So it's entirely up to you which one you want to do, whether you want to use the brown or the pink lip liner. Personally, I really like this one. What do you think?